Hey guys, welcome back to the classroom. So in this final video with regard to setting up your chart, just to set up basics, I'm just going to show you guys how to create a paper trading account so that you can start trading in demo right away. So you can trade through the chart, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. When you log into your Tradingview account, down at the bottom, you'll see where it says paper. Well, you'll see where it says trade. I'm going to log out. It's actually going to say trading panel, but I'm going to sign out really quick. So this is what you'll see. You'll see trading panel at the bottom of your chart. So when you click on this, if you don't see it open up, you'll need to expand it. So you just click maximize the panel. Here you'll get to see the different brokers that you can trade through. You guys know I recommend you guys go through Owanda only because I can help you there. If you have not set up your Owanda account, you'll need to click on that and you'll want to actually open an account. Okay. You can open a live account. Just go ahead and start with live, and then you have a demo built in. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up a new page, and then just go through the steps of opening your account. Just follow the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. You could also trade through Forex.com. Here as well, you click open account to sign up with them if you want to trade with them. There's no need to have like a bunch of them. Just choose whichever one you want to use as your broker. I recommend one of these two because I'm used to using these on the chart, and I actually use Owanda currently. Now, to set up your paper trading account, your demo account, you'll literally just click here. And for me, I'll click connect, and it'll automatically open up, right, my EZ Peezy Trading account. The cool thing about this is you can always reset your account. You can just click reset to start over. And let's say you'll start with $100,000. But now when you do that, you'll delete all your positions, orders, and history. Okay. You just start over and you click reset and you get like a brand new account. Okay. You can also add accounts. So you can create new accounts for different purposes, right? You may back test different strategies, which I'm going to highly recommend. And depending on your strategy, you can create a new account and name that strategy. Let's say you have a 4-hour EZ Peezy strategy, right? Well, that's the account. You may want to track the success of that strategy in that account, and you click create. Oh, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. You cannot have spaces. So you can do like hyphens, but you can't have spaces. I keep forgetting that. And click create. Wait, only letters. Oh, there it is. Okay. I thought I said it again. So now I have 3 accounts here, as you can see. And you can set them up with different balances. But as simple as that. Now, once you have that on your chart, you can minimize this. And let's see, the market is open right now, right? So let's see, I wanted to take a trade on this daily time frame right now. I can actually, let's go to a lower time frame where it's moving a lot faster. So let's say I wanted to trade here, right? And let's say I wanted to sell here. I now can use the buttons on my chart. So I click sell, right? And let's sell market means I want to enter right at this price, or whatever the market price is. If I hit that, I'll enter. Of course, you guys are going to learn how to use a calculator. You're going to change your units. That's the size of your order. But if I click sell right now, see how I got in immediately at that price, and it's on my chart. So once you do that, you're able to move things around. You can right click to protect your position, and that'll give you an opportunity to change your take profit or stop loss level that way. You can right click and close your position, and you can partially close. So let's say you don't want to close the whole thing. Let's say you want to close like 50%. You just take half of that number and it'll close half of that. Well, let's just say we want to close 100,000 or 91,000 units. So we're just saying 91,593. So if I click this, then I'll have 100,000 units in there. Of course, I'll be closing in the negative, but I've lost, I took a loss, but also, and I'll show you guys that, but I now have less units on, as you can see here. The other thing you can do is you can drop and drag. So let's say I sold here, right? Let's say I want my take profit to be down here, and it's showing me 13 pips. It's showing me the price. Here it's also showing me what my profit would be. That's the dollar symbol. And it's also showing me how much of a percent of my trade is it profitable, right? And I put my stop loss here. And so if the price goes down past this red level here, I'll be in profit. You'll see this turn to a positive number. If it goes up here and hits this this yellow line here, I will be knocked out of the trade. Okay. So that's how that works. That's why I say do it on your chart so you can test the strategies in demo. Now, if I go to paper trading account, you'll see that I can see okay, I just got locked out of the trade, probably because the spread. Yeah, the spread is so wide. Even though price is lower than this, the spread itself knocked me out. Because of the spread, I got knocked out of the trade. Let me do this really quick. I'm going to go to here. Let's see. I don't see the actual value line for some reason. See, the actual price, I don't see that. Oh, it's light blue. I do see it. It's just blue. So now that's the price right there. So the price, if you notice, never made it up there, but the ask price did. And I was selling. So the ask price, if I'm in stop loss, the ask price is going to take me out of a sell order at my stop loss. Okay. Cause I'm selling. And so if I was buying, then the ask price would, level would take me out. Okay. So let's do it again. Let's say I want to bid, right? I want to buy. I could buy here. It's 3.2. It's a spread. That's how wide it is. And let's say I want to buy. So now notice how the price is sitting here, but it didn't put me into the trade until up here. That's because of the spread. That's why I told you guys to study the spread, the ask and the bid price to show you how, even though you want to buy at this price, it's only going to put you in wherever the ask price is. And the spread is pretty wide right now because of the time of day. Okay. It's 6 o'clock is going to be widespread. That's why we wait till after 7 to enter our trades. So the spread can be a lot smaller. So you're going to be using this with the EZ Peezy Forex indicator, right? It's going to give you your signals, right? It's going to tell you which direction to go in. You're going to use it in conjunction with some of the other tools, but it's going to tell you which direction you want to go in. And it's also going to give you your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit levels. You'll use that to enter your trade. So your homework now is to go on your chart and to go ahead and sign up for your paper trading account so that you can start trading along with us in the classroom. All right, guys, thank you for your time. I'll see you in the class.